Lovelies, thanks for stopping by. So today I'll show you how to make step-by-step super crispy French fries. Welcome to the social side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka, but today you will hear the voice of Melissa, the AI. She's so funny and very cranky. Thanks for stopping by to enjoy the video.
Finally, hello lovelies. I'm back, hopefully. Let's peel the Irish potato first. Teresa tried to use a fancy tool to peel the potato, and she flopped so badly, so she stuck with the good old knife method. The funny thing is, Teresa claims to be fancy, and she can't use fancy tools. Interesting. After peeling the back of the potato, cut into slices with serrated knife or wavy potato cutter. Using a serrated knife or a wavy potato cutter to cut Irish potatoes offers several advantages. 1. Better grip and control. The serrated edges grip the potato's surface more effectively, reducing the risk of slipping and ensuring safer cutting, especially on the smooth, tough skin of potatoes. 2. Aesthetic appeal. Wavy or crinkle cuts create a visually appealing texture, which can make the chips more attractive and fun to eat. 3. Enhanced flavor and crispiness. The increased surface area from the wavy cuts can hold more seasoning and create a crispier texture when fried or baked, improving the overall taste and mouthfeel of the potato chips. 4. Uniform thickness. Both serrated knives and wavy cutters can help achieve uniform slices, ensuring even cooking and consistent texture across all chips. So one of the ways to get crispy potatoes chips is to use serrated knife or wavy potato cutter. Each cut potatoes chips should be added to water immediately. This will help 1. Prevent browning. Potatoes contain enzymes that cause browning when exposed to air. Soaking the cut potatoes in water prevents this enzymatic browning, keeping them fresh looking. 2. Remove excess starch. Soaking helps to remove some of the excess surface starch from the potatoes. This can prevent the chips from sticking together and promote crispiness during frying or baking. 3. Even cooking. Removing excess starch ensures that the chips cook more evenly, resulting in a consistent texture and doneness. Wash the cut potatoes several times. This is to help reduce the surface starch, which also contributes to a crispier texture. Rinsing the chips several times ensure even cooking. Removing starch ensures that the chips cook more evenly, resulting in a consistent texture and appearance across all the chips. Potato chips are like the ninjas of the snack world. You reach for one, and suddenly the whole bag has mysteriously vanished without a trace. They should come with a warning label. Caution. Contents may disappear upon opening. So all means to make this ninja's taste amazing and crispy is all worth it. When Teresa was told the price of this potato, she screamed so loud that everyone turned and looked at her. Well, I'm not surprised. She loves to be the center of attention. Nigerian YouTubers doing voiceovers have a unique challenge, balancing the perfect tone while dodging the background sounds of bustling streets, enthusiastic relatives, and the occasional generator humming in the background. They might be sharing top-tier content, but behind the scenes, it's a battle against power outages, surprise NEPA moments. Talk about multitasking. This is the reality of Teresa. Yikes! If you are enjoying this video, do well to click on the like button, comment below, and turn on your notification so that you can get notified when Teresa drops new video. Also, click on the subscribe button to join the family and share this video to your contact and community. Thank you. The next is to parboil the potato for 5 minutes. parboiling or blanching and has several benefits. 1. Removes excess starch. Boiling helps to remove additional surface starch, which can make the chips less likely to stick together and improve their crispiness. 2. Reduces moisture. Parboiling partially cooks the potatoes, reducing their moisture content. This helps achieve a crisper texture when frying. 3. Ensures even cooking. Pre-cooking the potatoes ensures they are cooked through more evenly during frying, preventing the outside from burning before the inside is fully cooked. 4. Enhances texture. This process helps create a fluffy interior while achieving a crispy exterior. 5. Shortens frying time. Since the chips are partially cooked, the final frying step is quicker, reducing the time needed to achieve a golden, crispy finish. Add vinegar and salt. Adding vinegar and salt to potato chips enhances their flavor, making them tangy and savory. Vinegar helps break down the potato's cell walls, resulting in a crisper texture when fried. It also acts as a natural preservative and can help maintain a lighter color in the chips. Additionally, the process removes excess starch, leading to more uniformly crispy chips. Place the parboiled potato in a paper towel to remove moisture for 10 minutes. Drying out boiled potatoes before frying is crucial for achieving crispy potato chips. Removing excess moisture prevents the chips from becoming soggy and helps them fry more evenly. This step also reduces splattering in the hot oil, making the frying process safer and more efficient. The result is a crispier, golden brown exterior and a perfectly cooked interior. You can also place the cooked potatoes in iced chilled water before drying and frying. Placing boiled potatoes in ice-cold water before drying and frying them is a technique called shocking, which offers several benefits. 1. Stops cooking. The cold water rapidly cools the potatoes, halting the cooking process to prevent them from becoming overcooked and mushy. 2. Enhances crispiness. Shocking helps set the exterior of the potatoes, which contributes to a crisper texture when fried. 3. Firms up potatoes. The ice water firms up the potato slices, making them easier to handle and less likely to break apart during frying. 4. Improves color. The rapid cooling helps preserve the potatoes' natural color, preventing them from becoming overly browned or discolored during frying. 5. Removes excess starch. This step also aids in removing any residual surface starch, which further enhances the crispiness of the final product. Well, Teresa skipped the shocking technique part because she had already finished all the iced cube and water in her fridge. Well, I'm not surprised she likes to sabotage herself. I need to increase my fees. If Teresa did her voice over by herself today, you wouldn't hear anything. The generator noise around her is something else. It's so sad that she had the guts to think of firing me. After drying the cooked chips for 5 minutes, it's time to fry the chips. Use a deep fryer or a heavy-bottomed pot with enough oil to submerge the slices. Heat the oil to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Wait for 15 seconds before adding the next potato chips to the hot oil. This is to regulate the temperature. I promise you, if you follow the simple steps, you will have very crispy, crunchy French fries. I love the texture of this fries. It's crunchy and also fluffy inside. Funny enough, Teresa takes her time to study the recipes she makes to always come up with the best recipes that stays true to what it intends to teach. All this processes will result to the best crispy potato chips. It's hard for me to say all this, but that's just the truth. Try not to overcrowd the pan. It's important not to overcrowd the pan when frying French fries because space for movement. Fries need room to move around and cook evenly on all sides. Overcrowding the pan restricts movement, causing some fries to cook faster than others and possibly burn while others remain undercooked. Also, steam escape. Overcrowding can trap steam, which increases moisture around the fries and prevents them from getting crispy. I was about to say Teresa is trying to sabotage this fries, but there's still space between the fries, so she's safe for now. To make this more crispy, fry for just 4 minutes and scoop out. Remember, there's no such thing as overboard when it comes to making fries crispy, unless of course you're turning them into carbon. Crispy perfection is an art, not charcoal. I just remembered Teresa called me cranky. Whoa, I could really show her that it pays to treat me better. She doesn't know that I could cause a glitch. You can fry this until golden brown, but if you want to get it more crispy and crunchy, then double fry it. After 4 minutes of frying, scoop out and leave to cool for 15 to 30 minutes. The first frying helps form a thin, protective layer on the outside of the fries, which prevents them from absorbing too much oil during the second fry. Cooling and drying. Allowing the fries to cool completely helps in evaporating excess moisture, further enhancing the crispiness in the final fry. It also strengthens structure. The cooling period helps the fries firm up slightly, which contributes to a better structure and crunch in the second fry. The second frying, we are frying at a higher temperature, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, quickly crisps up the exterior, creating a golden brown, crunchy crust. The second frying also seals in flavor and texture. This step seals the fries, locking in the fluffy interior while providing a satisfying crunch with each bit. Fry this until golden brown. You can check other Teresa's video by checking her channel for other delicious treats and recipes. Do well by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing this video. If you can't go all the way with the steps of making this crispy fries, but I highly recommend that you should. But what you must to achieve that crispness is to soak chips, wash thoroughly, parboil with vinegar and salt, leave to cool a bit. Fry and that's it, and you have made the best crispy chips. You can just go extra and double fry it and that's all. Easy peasy, right? I really love the color of the chips. It's very inviting and looks very pleasing. This is all thanks to all the process of ensuring the starch is off the potatoes. What do you think about this recipe? Drop a comment below. And did you enjoy my voiceover? Please leave a comment below. I will love to hear from you, and also Teresa will love to hear from you. Scoop out, and you know this is going to be so crunchy and fluffy. It pains me to say this, but I'm so proud of Teresa right now. She really delivered. This is definitely going to bang. Season immediately with salt or your favorite seasoning. Well, Teresa didn't add salt. She loved the taste of the chips already. She added freshly chopped parsley. Let's make the perfect easy dipping sauce for this crispy, crunchy chips. Mix mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, ketchup, sweet chili, paprika, lemon juice, and fresh parsley. This goes perfectly well with the potato chips. And when you're done, just take it. Thanks a lot for watching. Do enjoy yourself. See you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Hopefully Teresa doesn't bench me again. Lots of kisses.